video, I'm going to show you 4 assets. I said 4 assets that Facebook normally bans, restrict, or disable. If you use Facebook as a source of traffic to power your business, to grow sales in your business, or of course, to attract potential traffic to your business. That means if you're an affiliate marketer, you are into e-commerce, drop shipping, you sell physical products, you sell digital products, yeah, you're a course creator, content creator, you're a blogger, you're a YouTuber, but you use Facebook as a source of generating traffic. Any of these 4 can happen to you. So relax as I show you the 4 different assets that Facebook would normally ban. And before that, I am Moses Daramola, and I talk about sales, marketing, and advertising. So if you are using Facebook ads and you're having issues with Facebook advertising, no problems. You can always contact me or chat with me. If you have any issue, just look at the description section of this YouTube channel. You will see how you can contact me, and let's see what we can do. Why? I run Facebook advertising agency, and I'm always updated with the current update from on Meta or Facebook platform. So let's get back to business. Now, I've talked about 4. I want to talk about 4 assets Facebook bans. Okay, so let's look at the first one. You are familiar with this if you have been using Facebook as your source of traffic. The first one, the first asset, or the first asset that Facebook restricts is the Facebook accounts. Facebook accounts. This for me is the worst. This for me is the worst because this is the gateway to other things to do on that platform. If you are running ads, can you retrieve it? Of course, you can retrieve it. It depends on the way you handle the issue and what is involved. Okay, so there are some Facebook account restrictions. They are due to lack of confirming your ID. Okay, probably you have not done 2 house cleaning activities. Number 1, 2-factor authentication. If you have not done that and you want to run ads, Facebook can bring in that hammer, boom, and hit your head. Okay, if you have not confirmed your identity, okay, probably you have your national ID card, international passport, driver license, voter's card, and the host of others. If you have not confirmed your ID, the hammer can come from Facebook, boom, and you see that you have restriction. But immediately you confirm your ID, that restriction will be removed and your Facebook account will be restored to you. For me, this is the worst case. The second one is the business manager. Business manager is an asset. It helps you manage other assets like your Facebook page, your Facebook account, your Pixel, your WhatsApp, and some other assets that you need to run a successful Facebook advertising. So if your business manager is restricted, definitely other associated assets on that your Facebook is managing will be affected. And you can always appeal. Click on the request review, and it's possible you get it back. Okay, for me, what do? I request, I appeal for a review. I also chat with support. Okay, in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can chat with support and see how you get your business manager restriction removed. Okay, what is the third one? The third one is the ad account. The ad account is key. For you to run any campaign, you need to pay Facebook. Yeah. The ad account is where you fund your account, you fund your campaign activities. And if the ad account is restricted, no way, you cannot run ads. Oh my God, that is very disappointing. But the good news is this, that sometimes the bot makes mistakes and you can always appeal. whenever you submit your campaign for review by Facebook, the bot does the first review, and after a while, of course, the woman team did review, do a second review. So whenever you are restricted, it is the bot that does the restriction based on some keywords that they program into the program in the bot, and the bot sees that keyword, flags your account, but you can always appeal. And once you appeal, the woman reviewers look at it and they review your account. And sometimes they will tell you, oh, sorry, it was an error from the bot, and your account will be restored. Note, in ad account, when you are funding your ad account, you should be very, very careful and know how to manage your fund. Do you know why? Let me tell you why, just in seconds. You see, when you fund your ad account and you have huge amount of money in that ad account and you are restricted, and that account is still restricted, and that account will not be recovered, oh, sorry, that money is gone. I was able to chat with Facebook support, and I was asking them, why are you doing this? Someone will have thousands of naira, thousands of dollars in his ad account, and after restriction, and that person is probably will not retrieve that ad account due to your internal team judgments. They will say, oh, nothing to be done about it. So our advice, you manage your fund in your ad account, because once it is restricted and you're not able to retrieve that restricted ad account, sorry, the ad account is what? Gone. But I can tell you that I've experienced restrictions, ad account restrictions in my Facebook advertising agency, and in most cases, I get it back. Yeah. In my next video, I will show you how you can do that. The last one, the last restriction is the page restriction on your Facebook page. If your Facebook page is restricted, you cannot run ads towards that page. If you are using different campaigns and you're running different campaigns and you are using that page as as your page for running the ads, once those campaigns are restricted, you cannot run ads again with that page. Page is important. For you to run any campaign, you must use a page. That's why it's called business. Your business page. You need to, create appeal, and possibly you will get back your Facebook page. Okay, but let's assume that you will not get it back. What do? You can create another page, but not with the same name. So when you are running your ads, be very, very careful with how you run your ads. So you can always appeal and also chat with support. So in my next video, just watch out for my next video, because in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can chat, you can appeal and chat with support, and how do you craft your complaints, your request, your appeal. How do you do that? I will show you how I've been able to retrieve restricted accounts, Facebook accounts, business manager, ad accounts, and my page restriction. Yeah, I'm not saying that everything was 100%, but I get back most of my restrictions. It's not difficult. Just wait and watch out for my next video. Okay, I am Moses Oludaramola, and I want Facebook advertising agency. In case you need someone to help you manage your account, I can always help you out. Okay, Facebook advertising is very interesting. In fact, Facebook wants you to make money. Yeah, Facebook wants you to make money. Have that mindset. Facebook wants you to make money. If you're having any issue with Facebook advertising, consult, go for mentorship. Okay, and I want to believe you get it right. Once you get it right, as a source of traffic, you start seeing what traffic, directing massive traffic to your product or your service. Okay, and you see a great change in your sales and marketing. Actually, advertising is key. It's very important to the success of whatever you are selling online, either physical or digital. Okay, I would like to see you in my next video.